Okay, so here are two units. The left one, which is not working well. As you see on the right one, it's flashing immediately, the W-DMX. So let's have a closer look. So go to the setup. As you see, that's blinking, it's not. DMX is 0, tensioner mode, it's okay. Then go to settings and WDMX turn on, but not blinking. And the next one, it's blinking, DMX 0, mode tensioner, as you see, it's on. So actually I don't know why it's not turning on. I turn off, wait a little bit. Yeah, maybe. I turn off on this one as well. Yeah, blinking just stopped. Now go back, turn it on, and it's not good. So it's worked. I turn off the WDMX, then turn on again, and it's not turning on again. So now I have 5 units which not working. Previously I had only 4, and this one was worked well, but from now it's not working. So I will only have 3 working units. Where with the W-DMX it's working. So that is my problem. So I cannot turn on the WDMX.